the Miss Universe.
Oh my God.
And what do you think of Atisa's chances?
Oh, I think Atisa has a big chance of getting the crown. Just be consistent and just enjoy the pageant, Atisa. I can see naman na you're enjoying and you got this, girl. And pray. That is the greatest weapon that you can have.
Maraming gusto magtanong sa iyo because you're close to Papa Nawat. You're always with him. How is he?
Oh, Papa Nawat is like really a father figure to me. I know that I can see a lot of videos circulating online. Please don't edit it like that. And if you really know Papa Nawat, you will also like him. I hope that you will know him personally. He's really kind, really generous. He's really a father figure to all of us. You know what? I am experiencing a lot of things. It's because of him. He's giving me a lot of opportunities and a lot of chances to experience this.
So what was the story behind the video? You were trying to hand your
I was
phone.
trying to put my phone on my chair and then he got it. Sabi niya, papalitan niya ng iPhone 17.
Nakita ko yung ano na yun. Nakita ko yung live mo na yun.
Hindi, kinuha na lang niya para hindi na ako umalis ng stage. Ganun lang naman yun.
Bait,
Diba
no?
parang, oo.
Very
Para-
generous
Ayun
man.
naman eh. So ganun lang siya. Pero nothing. Tapos yung paghawak ng kamay, I think it's because Papa Nawat just want me to be closer to him.
Ginagawa niya naman sa iba yun.
True.
Because everything's going fast.
Yes, and a lot of Filipinos are messaging me and I can see the comments that asking, Emma, I hope you're okay. I'm really, really okay. I'm enjoying it. Actually, later I will upload my room tour, the room that I stayed in Chatrium in Bangkok. You will see how MGI really takes good care of me.
Wow. Will you be hosting other events?
I think so. A while ago, Picham told me that I will be hosting on November 12.
Wow.
It's one of the sponsors. So I think the sponsors are also asking for that.
Weren't you supposed to host the opening ceremony, the opening night?
Yes, but yeah, a lot of things happened. So at least we're there. We just watched the girls celebrated. I think that's
I
the
remember.
first major event they had. So
I
yeah.
was just curious because I remember asking you after the cruise.
Yeah, I was supposed to host, but it's okay. You know, a lot of things happen, and you just need to be ready anytime.
Right.
So Emma, pag nagkikita kayo ni Atisa, binibigyan mo ba siya ng mga tips?
Depende kung magtatanong siya, Mama Bex. Ang lagi ko na sinasabi sa kanya, kaya mo yan, girl. Kasi minsan, ako naman dumating din ako sa point niya, no, sa position niya. So, masabihan ka lang na kaya mo yan, you can do this. Malaking bagay na yon. So, I hope malaking bagay din yun para kay Atisa.
Wow.
Tuloy ba yung homecoming mo on the 24th?
For now, yes. And I think Papa is also coming with me. So, I will see if I will bring Belle also. So, kasi dito sa Thailand, it's a big thing. Belma is a big thing. You know, we have a lot of fans, the BM family, and I would like to take this opportunity to thank them. A while ago, hinatid pa ako sa airport. So, thank you, BM family. And there's also BM family in Phuket. When I arrived in Phuket, they gave me gifts. Thank you so much to all the Thai people. You're very sweet and very generous. And also, I would like to take this opportunity to pray for the Philippines. I think Saturday night or Sunday morning, maglaland yung super typhoon na tinatawag si Uwan. Sana iwan mo na kami, Uwan. Please, marami pa. Ano pa kami? Pabangon pa lang kami.